Here is a Kenmore Ultra Wash dishwasher, model number 665.177.92992, and it stopped draining water. Documentation on how to troubleshoot the dishwasher problem is not very extensive, but after digging and digging and digging, I finally found something called a check valve, which comes out of the motor. Now, I'm not the greatest mechanic in the world, but I did remove the check valve. Here is the check valve soaking in lime-away. I'll get back to the reason why in just a moment. But first of all, just know that all of the repair manuals seem to indicate that you're supposed to take the check valve and replace it in its entirety. After going into the check valve with a pair of tweezers, I was able to find some interesting things that had been left from the detritus of previous washes. I was able to pick stuff like an end of a rubber band or part of a rubber band from inside the check valve. That was clearly gumming things up. Here are a couple of pieces of plastic, probably from spoons or something like that. Don't ever put plastic spoons, and all kinds of garfunga here that was inside the check valve. If I'm right, and you know, I probably am, I am going to put that check valve back onto the dishwasher and check it to see if the dishwasher will resume draining water. And if I'm right, I've saved myself a whole bunch of money by not having to replace the check valve. And oh yeah, the reason for the lime-away? That's just to get rid of any hard water deposits, which may be gumming up the works. And it'll be nice, bright, shiny, and new after I install it. Okay, it's on. Let's see if it works. That there is the proof of the pudding.